welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the YouTube Silver Play button. Yay! Originally I received this yesterday, but I wanted to open it with you guys, so I want to take a moment to thank you all for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. I wouldn't have this without you all, so thank you. Now let's open it. Okay. This and this. There's also one here. Okay. Now, let's take this off. It's a pad. It's so soft. There's a card here. It says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. This award was inspected and packaged with great care." Now, there's a note. I don't want to look at it now. Okay. First, let's read this. I'm getting emotional. Okay, now let's see it. On 3, 2, 1. Ah! It's so cute. Let's take it out. Okay, I should be careful. Finally, I'm holding this in my hands and it's all to you guys. Oh my god, I love it. I think I'm gonna look at it for 24 hours. Look. Okay, now that's it. Thank you so much again for everything. I love every single one of you guys. I really appreciate you all, and I'm so lucky to have you guys. Bye.